Alright, so here is the service update on my Cybertruck. You can see estimated repair completion has updated to April 12th. They called and told me basically because there aren't that many Cybertruck technicians, they had to wait till someone was available and had to call someone in. So I'm not sure why they didn't wait till they were sure they had someone to come in on the day I brought my truck, but anyways, I got the Model X as a loaner to drive around, and supercharging is free in the meantime. Alright, so here you can see the repair progress. So they're still in the process of a lot of stuff. Exterior trim, cabin air filter, the interior thing they said they resolved. So I was basically saying there were bolt covers in the truck bed, like under the little extra storage cover, and those little things just come out really easily. They basically said that that's just how it is. They checked other Cybertrucks and it's the same thing. So basically the design of the plastic cover looks like it's supposed to clip in, but it doesn't actually clip in, it just falls into place. Alright, then the seats. Alright, so one side, the plastic as well as the metal part had some like scratches and marks on it. So they said they were able to remove that piece and then just mounted it properly. And what they say, they verified it was scratched, and because of the current inventory they don't have the part available, so they ordered it. They did set up another repair thing in the future, so I'll show you that in a bit. Alright, rattles and squeaks in progress. So tires and wheels. So I said about the wheel caps because the centerpiece is getting rusted, and I asked if they had a little cover for that. They don't, and also there are no wheel covers available yet. So basically it's gonna be with the regular, like the wheels or rims without the covers, okay, until they come out with the replacement. Right, then all the other things, they're still working on it, about things being aligned wrong and stuff. Right, also what else? Okay, they're still working on the steering wheel cover that's popping apart. You can see there was a thing about the charge port and stuff having scratches and stuff. So it says they confirmed that the concerns are there. Alright, they inspected, appeared to be, confirmed corners appear to be scuffed as well. Oh yeah, the sail pillar plastic parts that go over where the buttons are, the ends of it had like some weird dense scratches. I don't know if they're going to replace that, but here it says they did. Removed and replaced passenger side sail applique, but due to current inventory, driver's side sail has been placed on order. So they replaced the passenger side, but the driver's side they're waiting for. Okay, then it says they removed and replaced the rear driver fender flare. Alright, components are mounted properly within factory specified parameters. Verified vehicle is comparable to other similar fleet. Okay, so they replaced some of those other pieces. And what else? Then we got wait, what did I just read? The trim. Okay, charge port. So the rear vents making noise. They're probably not going to do anything with that because I'm pretty sure that's just how it is when it moves, adjusts which way the wind blows. It's a little bit noisy the way that the motor moves those vents, I guess. Right, front dash area started rattling. They did listen to it earlier, and it's like the front driver door. It sounds like two pieces of plastic are squeaking or rubbing together when you drive. So they're gonna check on that. They said maybe it's a little too tight. Oh, I'm getting some customers messaging me. Alright, anyways, found more serious safety concerns. So the truck bed release. Oh wait, the brake dust thing. So the brake dust thing, I don't know why, but one wheel is getting brake dust all over it. They said they checked it and it looks fine. So I don't know. I guess they're leaving it as is, and that one wheel is just permanently going to keep getting brown more than the others because the brake dust, maybe once it wears out more, it'll stop, but yeah. Alright, then the emergency release for the tailgate, they said they looked at that, and as you can see, they said they found the cables fell off the bracket. I mean, yeah, they did come off the bracket. I don't know why they don't have a way that it just holds it permanently in that place, they just can come out really easily. So they tested the cables and found that it was harder to release the driver's side. They found that the cable had a bend in it, and that was causing extra resistance. So they basically used some zip ties to hold it to where it's no longer like kinked. And yeah, they tested it again, said it's working, it's easier to release now. And yeah, they'll note the release cables will fall if it's pulled incorrectly. So yeah, they said they recommend pulling the cable straight out towards the cab. Otherwise they can just pop out of that metal holder. So and then they confirmed that it's like that on similar models, other Cybertrucks pretty much. Okay, then the thing about it using lots of power when you're not doing anything, they're still looking into that. Powertrain issue detected. I don't know what that was. That automatically added itself at some point, but I didn't see any error message come up. So they said normally when that shows up, it gets an error message, so it's kind of strange. Right, anyways, then they got this customer states roof applique on the left side is sticking up where it meets the top tailgate, and they looked at it, they dismounted it and found the brackets were not properly mounted to the chassis, so it was sitting higher and it had extra play. So they found also the corner of it was sitting on tailgate top applique seal, so it's causing it to sit higher. So they adjusted it and reinstalled, and yeah, left and right roof sides. Right, they confirmed components are now mounted properly and are comparable to other similar fleet models. So yeah, there we go. So they're getting a lot of the stuff repaired and fixed and aligned. So we'll see when I get the truck back what it looks like. And oh yeah, one other thing, let's go back. So this is the first one, and then if I go to service, you can see now I have this extra service request here. They added this, so it says they'll notify me of extra steps. So right now it's just like there's nothing to do here. I can manage the request, and I can see it says they're going to check the tire pressure again. I don't know, every time you bring the car in, they like to check that. You can see driver's side seat where controls are, seating mounting area have big scratches, so they're gonna get that when they have the parts. And then the trim above the charge port door and the left hand sail applique have scuffs. So they mark those back down, and basically I guess once they get the parts, they'll bring it back and then work on it. So yeah, not really much else. I think that's pretty much it. And every so often they do message me about updates. What is in the picture? So the frunk is open right now. That's probably, I didn't see the thing about that. So in this, there's supposed to be another one about the door for the filter. It, like the little latch is broken or broke. So they're supposed to replace that as well. But anyways, we'll see what happens, if they're gonna actually finish in time, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.